So this year Xmas is going to be red, you know. But guys, we are not setting Christmas tree this year. Okay guys, this is baby Alex school, Angelique Custoza. I'm not coming up, my star boy with scholarship, you know. So guys, I'm at work. It's not easy. So this year Xmas is going to be red, you know. But guys, we are not setting Christmas tree this year. So we are not setting Christmas tree this year. Just more deco in my kitchen because we are traveling. Christmas holidays. I'm going to take this one. So that is it. Continue washing. So guys, Jim Tata walk around Janja. But I still have hope. I still have hope, guys. So I'm in the bar. Let me take coffee. No, cappuccino and the pasta. Coffee modita. So guys, it's our lunch. So let's see. Pasta. Buonissima. This is pasta with prosciutto. Pasta la voglio così lungo, vedo tutto rozzo. So like this. Cotto e mangiatela. My sauce, I'll add it together and mix it together. I'll just eat sharp because I'll go and pick baby Alex in the school. My rice and a sauce. Sunday rice, then Monday, and that corner goes to me the diet. And that corner we live for day on Monday, so that's what I'm doing today. So that is it. I'll eat now. I can put the in the school. So today I did small shopping in MSSR. MSSR is now like markets. They have everything, you know, except alimentary, you know. So now they are selling everything in MSSR. So that is it. I told you guys, I will not be setting my Christmas tree this year now. I'll just decorate my kitchen, and this my table center parlor. No, not center parlor, corner parlor. So that is it. Not much decoration because we are traveling Christmas vacation period. So that is it. Thanks for watching and continue watching. So guys, can you see our weather? Weather is so dark, you know. Time have changed, you know. So I'm going to pick baby Alex in the school. Our new house. So that is it. That is dark. This is a 3:45, you know, and the weather is dark already. So that is it. Okay guys, this is baby Alex school, Angelique Custoza. I'm not coming up with my star boy with scholarship, you know. Oh yeah, put your hand. Where, Jaka? See, okay. Down. Oh, the fire the soul. Oh, look, we. Okay. Kaduto. See, pick your guanti. Pick the one that is on the floor. Eh? Eh.
Esse é de Deus.
Eh? Adesso c'è caldo qua. Aspetta, quando andiamo fuori. No? Non si vede neanche tua faccia.
Aspetta, non possiamo.
Basta. Alex. Andiamo. Saluta. Vai. So guys, see baby Alex, stop by. Nato no na kafiri. Salute. Bye ciao. We are in Conard now. We want to buy machinazzo. Meat for my meat pie.